Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am in the stockyard of all clutch assemblies, shock absorbers and any kinds of HELA related products are available with us, both wholesale and retail. So anybody who is really interested can contact us. So please like and subscribe our channel, and our WhatsApp number is 9886679617. So stay tuned, I'll be showing you all the benefits of all the vehicle parts which are available with us. Thank you. So you can just have a look at the clutches. This is called as Allied Westlake clutch assembly for VW Polo, and we have a range of clutches for VW Polo diesel, and this clutch can be used for both diesel engine 1.4 diesel engine clutch. This is for Polo, Cross, GT, and right now I'm going to show you this is the complete assembly. This is the clutch, this is the pressure plate. So this brand is also available with us at the moment, and this is the clutch assembly for Fortuner. This is the Exceed clutch assembly. You can just have a look at the Exceed branding. So you can just check out, this is the pressure plate, this is the clutch plate, and that's the releaser bearing. So totally which is used in the OE. Complete set of Exceed clutches are available with us. So stay tuned and watch our channel. So you can just check out the branding. This is called as Exceed clutch, which we use for Japanese cars itself, like Honda, Maruti, Suzuki, and all kinds of Japanese cars we use only Exceed clutch. So you can just have a look at the Exceed clutch for Amaze. We also have the Amaze clutch assembly completely. So all Japanese vehicles clutches are available with us for Toyota, Suzuki, Honda. For all clutch assembly is available with us in the Exceed brand. Anybody who is really interested can contact us. We are based in Bangalore, so our WhatsApp number is 9886679617. Right now we have the Valvolo clutch assembly, which is available for Chevrolet Optra, and also this Optra diesel. You can just have a look at the packing. It's a well versed brand. Right now I'm going to show you the clutch. So this is the clutch, and that's the pressure plate. The releaser bearing is also available individually. So anybody who is really interested can contact us. So right now we have the another Valvolo clutch. That's the for Beat Petrol. This is another brand which is an India based brand, but well managed brand. Since couple of days they are doing very well in the Indian markets. And this is the complete clutch set, 1.2 petrol. And also we have couple of other products also with us at the moment. You can just check out, these are the Motherson Products. So these are the brake calipers for all brands, it's available. And also we have HELA brake pads. You can just check out, these are the HELA brake pads, and the Motherson brake pads are also available with us. All are ready in stock with us. All cars, Jeep, Gypsies are also available, and we also have air filters in this completely. All brand air filters are available. So you can just have a look at the other brand called as fan belts. So you can just check out, this is the Gates fan belts which are assembled with us, ready in stock. So we have a tensioner pulleys available for all the cars. So you can just have a look at HELA coolants which are readily available with us, and also Edific coolants are available. We also have engine oils are available with us, HELA additives, petrol injectors, engine flush, diesel injectors, and gearbox oils are also available. And you can just check out the Wurth diesel additive, engine additive, petrol additive, engine oil. So all products are available with us. We also have rust spray. So anybody who is really interested in contacting us can contact us. These are the engine oil. So both engine oils are available. That's the petrol engine oil. This is the fully synthetic for both petrol and diesel are available, and also gearbox oil. You can just check out, this is the gearbox oil for automatic cars.